Welcome, and let's get going with this exciting recipe. I'm starting with the filling first. You take a pan, and I'm putting 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in it. You can even put olive oil. And now I'm adding some garlic to it, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. I've cut up half an onion and I've put that in. Next, I have one breast of chicken that I've cut into really small bits. In that goes. And this is cabbage that I've chopped up into again very small pieces. Give it all a good mix in the pan and start sauteing it. Now I'm adding some salt and pepper to taste, maybe 1 teaspoon of each. And this is my liquid aminos, which is a substitute for soy sauce. You can feel free to use soy sauce also. Now I'm adding apple cider vinegar. You can use even white vinegar. Give it a good saute in your pan and your filling is ready. Now the exciting part. Now I'm using a particular flour which I'm going to talk to you about at the end of this video. Right now, just see the procedure. Half a cup of the flour and 1 cup of water. Give it a good blend. Now take a pan over the heat and let the water start boiling and put another pan on top of it. Okay? And now that we have our liquid mixture ready, get your paintbrushes ready because this is going to be crazy. You take your brush and you start brushing the mixture into your pan over the water. The water is in the pan at the bottom. And look at the strokes that I keep doing. I do crisscross such that all the little holes get covered. Bring it up into the sides of the pan also because it will help you when you have to peel this off. Yes, you're going to peel it off. Can you see? I think I must be using about maximum a tablespoon of the particular flour. The rest is water. Now that it's steamed for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and I just showed you that it's got dried up, now I'm ready to peel it off. Very slowly. This will take a little practice, but after you try this about once or twice or 3 times, you are going to become a pro at it. Peel. Let the pan cool. The flame is off now. And look at that. That's the wrapper. Now I'm showing you how to fill it in. The mixture that we made earlier, you take 1 roll and tuck it in. Take the 2 sides and just fold them in. Not completely to the center. Keep a space and roll again. That's your spring roll ready to go into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade. Now I'm also going to show you if you want to fry these. So again, I'm showing you how to roll it. 1 roll, then you roll the sides in and you roll the whole thing in. Also, to seal the ends, use that same mixture, the liquid, and put it at the part over there and seal it in. Now in the frying pan, I'm frying these 2. So I've put 2 in the oven and 2 to fry. You can use either procedure and do it. Isn't that exciting, everyone? I'm so excited to bring this recipe for you. So now hear me out. So hi, I'm here to talk about the ingredient that I've used. I have used chickpea flour or the Indian besan flour. Now, before you jump on my throat and say that it's not keto, if you saw the procedure in the video, you use nothing more than a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons in each wrapper. And that's why I found this absolutely brilliant. It is chickpea flour or the Indian besan flour that I have used. Also, if you know, chickpeas by Dr. Eric Berg has said that hummus is very good for you, and this is exactly what hummus is made of. It's made of chickpeas. So I thought this was absolutely amazing that you just use 1 or 2 tablespoons and you have a wrapper ready. The rest is just water. So I hope you'll make this, and I'm really excited about it, and I hope you will be too. Now we can have spring rolls. So take care and see you in my next video.
Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell. You'll get the notifications on. Bye then.